dear colleagues and friends. I'm Diego Bechelli from Buenos Aires, and the topic that I wanted to share with you is about how digital tools have changed our daily practice in oral rehabilitation planning. As you can see, the first statement of this lecture is not as positive as I hoped when introducing the subject, but we have to agree on a certain point. In the last few years, we observed a fast development of digital tools in both softwares and hardwares. However, scientific evidence has surely advanced at a slower pace. I had the honor of participating in the last ITI Consensus Conference held in 2018 in Amsterdam, and what's more, I was part of the Digital Technologies Group. Over 3 days, we realized that the lack of a strong evidence on certain published digital protocols at that time was unquestionable. But fortunately, there are some positive thinking in this way. For example, this publication from Basel University, where we can see the importance of knowledge, education, and abilities that still make the difference in this concept of augmented intelligence. In the past 10 years, dentistry has been through many changes, but the possibility of including soft tissue data to our aesthetic and occlusal planning in a single platform is fascinating. This allows us nowadays to include extraoral information to our planning phase, increasing the communication between not only team members, but also between clinicians and patients. I treated this patient many years ago,